Congratulations! Your new client just proudly uploaded his masterpiece website and immediately got slapped in the face with a beautiful 403 forbidden error. So, using his groundbreaking IT forensic skills, he concludes, "It's your server, bro. It works perfectly fine on my machine. And customer is always right, even though he is wrong." 403 error means the server understood your request but is refusing to serve it. And it can be due to four main reasons. First is incorrect files or folder permissions. Second is HTSS traps. Third is mod security. Fourth is cpanel IP blocker. And first two are the most common causes. The files should have 644 and folders should have 755 permission. You can fix the permission from cpanel file manager, FTP and SSH. We will use cpanel file manager for this video. Log into cpanel. Open file manager. Check the folder permissions is 755. Then open the subfolder and check the file permission. It's 600. So select the file, click on permission and change it to 644. Now refresh the site and voila, it's working. If the site still doesn't work, then rename .htss to .htss.bk and check. If the site starts work, then it's problem with .htss file. Go through the .htss rules and fix it. If the site still doesn't work, then disable mod security and check. And last, check the cpanel IP blocker for blocked IPs.